Okay, so I'm gonna work on warm, cool, and rainbow today. So I'm gonna give myself a 1/2 inch border, just like I always do. Got my borders, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Draw out my line. From here, I'm gonna do my 1 inch marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to work over top of this so you can see, not me. I'm gonna put in my line. Connect my dots. Connect my dots. And one more. Maybe. Gotta come this way. And then I'm going to do my 1 inch marks this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I only need 6, but we'll give it a go, see what we got. Okay, so I'm going to skip every other one because I don't need all of them. 1, 2, 3. Same thing. 1, skip 1, 2, skip 1, 3, skip 1. That gives me 3 boxes. There's my 4th box. There's my 5th box. And here's my 6th box. Okay? These are going to be warm. These are going to be cool. And these are going to be the rainbow. I'm going to work with these at the same time. So while I'm mixing for rainbow, I'm going to fill in cool and warm as well. So what I'm looking at on my thing is my warm colors are the things with the reds, the yellows, and the oranges. And my cool colors are the ones with the greens, the blues, and the violets. Okay? So I'm going to work on recreating those. This is one of those things where it would have been nice if I would have done it all at the same time, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm going to put down my primaries first because they're already mixed. Okay, so red is obviously warm. And red is the first of our rainbow. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to do my yellow, which means I'm going to skip
Orange.
No, I'm not. I'm just going to work my way across. Forget that. Otherwise I'll be backtracking. So I'm going to do a little mixing. So I'm going to look for an orange. So a little bit of this, a little bit of this, until I get an orange that I like.
A little bit of this.
Yes. That's more of a red orange. So I'm going to throw in my red orange just because I'm here. So here's my red orange. I'm going to throw some more yellow into that until I get an orange. Kiara, will you do me a favor?
Yes.
Can you go get me a bottle of yellow?
A bottle of yellow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's not orange enough. I never get enough yellow. Yellow is so light that it's like super overpowered by the red. Alright. There's my orange. So I'm going to put my orange on my rainbow as well. I didn't put my yellow or my red orange on there. Thank you. Okay. And get some more yellow. Take some of this and see if I can get me a yellow orange. myself a yellow orange in here. Take out my orange. Give myself a yellow. I could have added a little bit more yellow to that yellow orange as well, but it'll be alright. In fact, I might. I could put a yellow green down here if I wanted to. But I think I'm just going to give myself another color of, or another shade of yellow orange. You can see how that's a little more yellow orange. Okay, so there's my warms. There's half of my rainbow. Are you doing alright? Need to press pause? Okay. I don't want to use my contaminated yellow. So I'm going to work my way across. So now I'm going to work with my yellow and my blue. So I'm going to make a green. So I'm going to use a lot of yellow and a little bit of green, or blue, and I mean a very little bit. Okay, again, because we know that that yellow doesn't go nearly as far as the blue. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow to this, just so I can get myself a yellow green, so I can pick up where I left off here. So I'm gonna go with the yellow green. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue. I'm gonna give myself a green. But again, I put too much blue in, so that was more of a blue-green. There's my green. I'm gonna give myself a green. Not forget about my rainbow. It needs a green as well. And all I'm doing on my rainbow is it's these three colors, primaries and secondaries, every other one, okay? So now I need a blue-green. So I'm gonna add some more blue to this. So I get a nice blue-green. I'm gonna go a little bit more. That was not a little. Okay, I'm gonna get myself a blue-green. From here, I'm gonna go blue. And you could go a little bit more blue-green if you wanted to. Okay, and now I'm shooting for a blue violet and a violet, and then a violet down here. So, my red, and this, you know, that's what I was missing. I was missing my red violet. That's why I had two different yellow oranges. Shame on me. Red violet. Okay, so, a lot of red because our blue is super strong. I'm trying to find my purple. Purple tends to be a little on the dark side. So this is going to be my purple. Purple. And then a little more blue to that. And should give me a blue violet. So then there's my blue violet. So again, what I should have worked for here was a red violet, which was a little bit more red than this one right here. Should have been on my end right here, but I wasn't thinking about that. So this is why we should label them before we start painting them. All right, that's it.